Hi friends, I'm KB Gupta on KB Gupta Live. Welcome to this edition of Intense Talks. To be or not to be, the Indian bankers are in dilemma as far as adoption of cloud computing is concerned. There are many arguments for and against this proposal. There are a few concerns also. Data security and data privacy are the major ones. To solve this riddle, IBA, the industry body of Indian banking, constituted a committee of 11 senior bankers. The committee has come out with its recommendations. IBA has forwarded these recommendations to the RBI. Major one being to lay down rules to allow banks to analyze and store data on the cloud. RBI will take its own time to come out with its recommendations. In the meantime, let us analyze need, advantages, and drawbacks of the proposition. There is no doubt that with the advancement of fintech, the requirement of data storage and processing has increased manifold. If a bank wants to do it in-house, it requires a lot of expertise, planning, and huge expenditure. And if there is sudden spike in data usage, it may result into the breakdown of the system also. As against this can be handled instantly in case of cloud computing. Moreover, creating our own data center requires a lot of huge capital expenditure. Wherever in case of cloud computing, you have to pay on the usage basis only. The IBA committee wants RBI to come out with clear and not unduly burdensome process for outsourcing and adopting the selection, onboarding, and management of cloud services. Please mark the words clear and not unduly burdensome process. The last time when RBI came out with its recommendations on cloud computing was in the year 2012. This was regarding cloud computing in small urban cooperative banks. You will agree that cloud computing was in a very nascent stage at that time. In its recommendations at that time, the RBI said that cloud computing was an emerging technology and banks should exercise caution while implementing the adoption of cloud computing. RBI also recommended to address concerns about data privacy and data security while implementing cloud computing solutions. RBI thought non-financial applications will be the ideal candidate for cloud computing. Looking to this stance of RBI, we can expect similar guidance in the present environment also. But before that, there are many questions which need to be answered in this context. Theoretically, it looks very nice to say that we can control cost on capital expenditure and pay only on usage basis in cloud computing. Can cost will be the only criteria while dealing with the sensitive customer information? Moreover, different banks have gone for different customization. Is it possible to implement it in multi-tenancy environment of cloud computing? And what about legacy data? Today it seems that costs are quite low. But what is the guarantee that vendor will not increase the cost when you are totally dependent on them? You can say that in this competitive environment, you can change the vendor. But is it easy and practical? It is also said that in case of cloud computing, spurt in the usage can be handled instantly. But practically, is it so? After all, cloud computing people are also business people. They will not like their huge capacities to remain idle. And if that is so, the cost will definitely be on the customer, isn't it? Audit and storage of data is another pertinent issue which needs to be addressed properly. What about offshore storage of data? Even IBA committee has requested RBI to clarify on this. The committee has also requested that regulation should not create unrestricted physical audit access to the cloud hosting facilities. Will RBI agree for this? Let us hope that RBI comes out with its regulations sooner than later. However, the cost of creating and maintaining data centers can be prohibitive for small and medium ends. And what is the solution? In my opinion, these banks can create community cloud sort of infrastructure which is in their occupation and control. I seek your comments in the matter. Please put your comments in the comments box. Hope you like this video. If yes, then please press like and share button and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to press bell icon to know about my upcoming videos. Thank you.